What's going on, YouTube? This is the Passive Income Trucker coming back at you today with another video. And before we get into that, you know we got to read this disclaimer right here. The information I present to you is my opinion and not financial advice. It's my opinion only. I am not a financial advisor and I will not pretend to be one. These videos are for educational purposes. All parties watching this video should assess the risk and do their own due diligence before investing in anything, not just what I say, but real estate, stock market, Bitcoin. Do your own research, people. Do your own research and make your decision. I cannot guarantee your results, and I can only show you mine, which is due to the work that I put in. And one more caveat, do not put in any money that you cannot afford to lose. Put in some money that you, pretty much some extra money that you made. If you're doing Uber and Lyft on the side, if you got an extra $100, throw that in there and see if you can make that work for you on the side. Okay, now let's get into today's video. This should be a short video. Today I'm just going to, what we're going to do today is I'm going to go to Cubitech and let's see what's going on with my account Cubitech and show you how much I've made so far to date, because I have not made any withdrawals in it just of yet. I'm going to let it accumulate and then I'll make a withdrawal. Let's see, put in the captcha, and this is the way that the two I can't even pronounce it now. The two-factor authentication is supposed to work like it does here. The other site that I'm involved in, they say it's supposed to work after you get into the site. After you get into the site, it's kind of late. Once somebody's hacked your site, they're already in. It's kind of late to use the 2FA for that. Now let me pull it up on my phone. The Google Authenticator, for those that don't know, it's pretty much the one they use. I think it should be on Android and on iOS. The code is let's see if I can get this in before it changes. It does change every. I got in before it changed. Okay, as you can see, of course the average is still advertising this. As you can see, guys, I'm at $50 right now, and come down. It says $50.19, and I'm only supposed to be getting paid, well, really $25 a month. But I have a couple licenses that I purchased. Let's see if they added the one that I did not get. So apparently they're still working on it, because I had one license that I did not get yet, and I talked to support about it. Let's see. It's going to show. Yeah, talking about it. Gave them the hashes on it. So they're still working on that. Hopefully they can resolve that soon. That was a couple of days ago. Same day I purchased this one. As you can see right now, I'm still earning in all three of these particular licenses. 13, 8, and 3, and I have a total of $50. So if I want to make a withdrawal right now, I could, since they changed the withdrawal from 10 to 50. But that would leave it's like 15 cents. I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to change. I'm not going to withdraw. I'm going to wait till it gets close to 100, and then I'll just buy another license instead of just I'll just buy another license with the $100 that I accumulate. My plan is pretty aggressive. I'm just going to take pretty much every week $100 to $200 and buy one or two licenses. And then when I get a license in here, I'm going to just take that and add another license. I'm going to have $1,000 worth of license in a couple, probably in the next month. Probably by the end of next month, I would have $1,000 worth of licenses, probably in $100, depending on if I can get, depending on if I get anybody recruited up under me. If I get people recruited under me, I can move that ball along faster, and I can upgrade faster, and that would more than likely just upgrade to the bronze. And when you upgrade, you don't have to put in the total 500. You just put in the difference between the bronze and the bronze plus. You just add the $400, and that pays for your next license. Just want to do a quick little update to show you that the system is working. For those of you that don't know what the system is, as you can see, it's constantly giving me the USDT 89 cents, 62. And right now I still have $50.19 left in the account. And when I come back tomorrow, it'll probably be about 53. So I'm just gonna come back periodically and check it out and show you guys my progress. If someone decides to join, then I have said in my other video, I will give them another $100 license added to their account for those that join from the dates that I put in that particular video. Guys, this video will probably be the shortest one I've ever made, but thanks for watching. This is the Passive Income Trucker with my Qubit Life update. This system does work, guys. Get in if you want to get in. If not, just go back and do your research, then make a decision, like I say. Okay, it's Passive Income Trucker, guys. I am out.